Have you ever noticed this? You have clear dreams, clear goals, a clear picture of who you want to become. But when it's time to act, your energy disappears. You say, I'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow quietly turns into weeks, then months. You're not lazy, you're not broken, but something is stopping you. Let's talk about what it is and how to fix it. Why big dreams feel heavy. Most people believe motivation comes first. They think successful people wake up inspired, confident, and ready to work. That's not true. What really happens is this. When your goal feels massive, your brain interprets it as danger. Not physical danger, but emotional risk, failure, discomfort, uncertainty. So your mind looks for relief, scrolling, videos, comfort, not because you don't care, but because your brain is designed to avoid stress. The bigger the task feels, the louder the resistance becomes. The real reason you procrastinate. Procrastination isn't about time, it's about emotions. When a task feels unclear, exhausting, or overwhelming, your brain delays it to protect you. That's why you can plan amazing things, but struggle to begin simple ones. Your brain isn't asking, is this important? It's asking, is this safe? And big goals feel unsafe. Shrink the goal, not the dream. Here's the rule that changes everything. Never focus on the entire goal. Focus on the smallest possible action. Not impressive actions. Not life-changing actions. Simple actions. If your goal is writing, don't aim to finish anything. Open the document. If your goal is fitness, don't plan workouts. Put on your shoes. Small actions lower resistance. And once resistance drops, movement becomes possible. Success doesn't start with motivation. It starts with movement. Stop using willpower. Willpower is unreliable. It disappears when you're tired, when life gets stressful, when emotions take over. Instead of relying on willpower, build systems. Make starting easy. Prepare your environment in advance. Remove unnecessary choices. When action becomes automatic, discipline stops feeling painful. The goal isn't to push harder. The goal is to make effort lighter. The 2-minute doorway. Here's a simple mental trick. Promise yourself you'll work for just 2 minutes. That's it. No pressure to finish, no pressure to continue. Most of the time, once you start, you keep going. Because starting is the hardest part. Motion creates motivation, not the other way around. Why consistency beats intensity. People fail because they try to change everything at once. They burn bright, then burn out. Real progress comes from small actions repeated daily. Not heroic effort, not extreme discipline, just consistency. A small step today is worth more than a perfect plan you never use. Failure is not the enemy. You will miss days. You will feel unmotivated. That doesn't mean you failed. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. What matters isn't never falling. What matters is returning. Again and again and again. Your dreams don't need confidence. They don't need perfection. They need action. Even imperfect action. Start smaller than you think you should. Move slower than you want to. But move. Because the people you admire didn't wait for motivation. They built it. One small step at a time. Start today.